You can even use iMessage on your iPhone without a SIM and phone number. But sometimes your iMessage gets stuck and it's not delivered to a contact. If you are also facing the same issue, then here's how to fix it. The first method is the most obvious one as well. When you cannot send iMessage to a contact, it might be possible that your contact has not enabled iMessage by default. To fix it, open the Settings app on iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Messages. Check if the toggle next to iMessage is enabled. If it isn't, turn on the toggle. Now that you have enabled the feature, it is time to check your mobile data connection. If you are facing this problem while using iPhone over mobile data, switch to a Wi-Fi network if it's available. The internet speeds on your mobile data may not be good at your current location. Just like on other messaging apps, you can block contacts over iMessage as well, so you need to check if you have blocked the contact. To do that, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Messages. Scroll down and select Blocked Contacts. Check if you have blocked your contact. If yes, tap on Edit at the top right corner and unblock the contact. Finally, tap on Done and check if you can send the iMessage to the specified contact now. Another way to troubleshoot this issue is by re-enabling iMessage on your iPhone. Basically, this will reset the service and help to solve the problem. To do that, open your Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Messages. Tap the toggle next to iMessage to disable the feature. Wait for some time, and then tap the toggle again to enable the feature. iOS is great when it comes to managing background apps, but sometimes you also need to manually force quit and then relaunch the app again if it's not working properly. So to do that with the Messages app, swipe up and hold on your iPhone screen to reveal the app switcher. Swipe right to look for Messages, and then swipe up and remove the app. Lastly, if none of the fixes work, then it might be possible that your Messages app is out of date. For that, you need to update the version of iOS. To do that, open the Settings app and go to General. Then go to Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Now launch the Messages app and check if the problem is resolved. Hopefully, you are now able to successfully send iMessage to any contact on your iPhone. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials related to your everyday technology. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.